Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how to show Spotify on lock screen on Android. Now for that, it is possible that your notifications are turned off, so head back and hold on Spotify and head over to settings, and here at the very first you can see notifications, and you need to make sure that all of these options are enabled. So if any of these are disabled, it might be possible that they are restricting to be displayed on your lock screen or maybe on your notification bar, and that could be the problem. So you need to make sure that all of these are enabled, and if still the problem is there, you can just simply restore your notifications for your device and it will be most probably fixed. So that's a pretty simple process. I hope you understood the concept and learned something new. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.